Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch from a T-Mobile to Mint Mobile. And it's really easy and simple, guys. So first things first, what you're going to do is, of course, you're going to go and check coverage in your area for Mint Mobile. If they actually offer, their Mint Mobile service in their area, you can go ahead and check this coverage map. Just search on Google Mint Mobile coverage map. You can go check if your location is in their map and if they have a pin such as this, a red pin. And then what you need to do basically is you need to bring your phone to Mint, okay? As long as your phone is actually compatible with the Mint Mobile and is actually unlocked, so it's fully paid for in the other carrier's plan, you can just bring it over to Mint and they will just use their compatibility checker. You can find it out. And then you can also keep your current number. All you need is you need to have your billing zip code, your account number, and number transfer pin. Okay, you need these from your current carrier. You can bring these over as well to Mint when you come visit them in store, or you can do this online as well. And then you basically need to choose the correct plan for you. So they have different plans. They have a 5 GB plan, 15 GB, 20 GB, or unlimited data plans. Choose what plan you want. Go ahead and pay for that. Then you just choose your preferred SIM option. You can either choose a physical PIN or you can also go opt for an eSIM. And then at the end, you just hop onto the Mint mobile app or website. Just use their step-by-step instructions. You can quickly activate your physical SIM or eSIM. And then you go ahead and transfer your phone number, or you can, of course, get a new one. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide was of value to you. And if it was, guys, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.